Hello, friends. I'm Karthik Wagela from Anand Rathi, and we are back with another weekly podcast episode with Nilesh Jain, derivatives and technical analyst at Anand Rathi. Thank you, Nilesh, for joining in our podcast series to share your market outlook for the week. Hi, Nilesh. Welcome to another podcast. How is the Nifty and Bank Nifty looking on charts, and where are we heading now?
Hi Karthik. So the market started the week on a very optimistic note where Nifty, Sensex as well as Bank Nifty scaled to fresh new highs. However, towards the end the momentum fizzled out and it snapped most of the gains of the entire week on Friday's session. So throughout the week we saw a tug of war like a situation between the bulls and the bears. Both made their share of attempt to drag the index on the higher side. Thus, huge volatile swings were witnessed in the Nifty index. If you look at in the entire week, the Nifty index traded in a range of 300 point, and due to the profit booking from the higher levels, it has formed a doji kind of candlestick pattern on the weekly scale, which indicates indecisiveness amongst participants. The Nifty index also faced stiff resistance around 14,653 levels and failed to surpass the same, which will now act as a major hurdle. On the downside, the immediate support is placed at 14,350 and a breach of the same will attract further selling pressure, which might drag Nifty towards 14,200 and 14,000 levels. Now, if you look at the volatility index India weeks, which surged 16% to end at 24 levels after a span of almost more than 2 months, we saw volatility has again started rising. As mentioned earlier, ahead of the budget, we can expect the volatility to increase further. Now, on the higher side, 28 to 30 kind of levels we might see. Thus, one needs to stay cautious and refrain from creating any sort of aggressive long and short position in the index. If you look at the Bank Nifty index, on the other hand, has managed to hit fresh new highs for the first time after a span of a year, and also traded in line with the Nifty index and formed a doji candlestick pattern on the weekly scale, which indicates again indecisiveness amongst participants in the Bank Nifty as well. Hence, for any sort of fresh momentum on the higher side, Bank Nifty has to surpass 32,720 levels. On the downside, the immediate support is placed at 31,600 followed by 31,200 levels.
Can you share your few observations about Nifty open interest for the coming week?
Well, on the derivative front, an unwinding was seen at 14,400 and 14,600 strike on Friday as put writers ran for the cover. A fresh addition was seen at 14,000, 14,200 and 14,300 strike, where the highest open interest of 17.2 lakh contract is now placed at 14,000 strike. So clearly the data shows that the put writers are lacking the conviction and shifting the position on the lower side. So the base is getting shifted lower, and 14,200 followed by 14,000, these are the two immediate support based on the derivative setup. On the call side, a fresh or I would say a huge amount of call writing was seen at 14,500 to 14,600 strike, and also most of the OTM strike also witnessed a fresh call writing. The maximum open interest of 39.5 lakh contract is placed at 14,600 strike, which will now act as a major hurdle for the coming week. So based on the derivative setup, we can expect Nifty to oscillate in a broader range of 14,000 to 14,600 for the coming week.
The volatility has increased in the markets. What kind of strategy one should deploy to trade in the Nifty index?
So Karthik, as we know, the budget is scheduled on 1st of Feb 2021, and historically we have seen ahead of the budget the markets generally becomes extremely volatile, and in this kind of volatile market one needs to avoid trading in the future. Rather, one can go for option strategies, and the data for the Nifty index is clearly shows some sort of a weakness in the coming week, and bears may have the upper hand over the bulls. So hence we are advising to initiate a bear put spread where one can buy one lot of 14,400 put strike at 120 and simultaneously sell one lot of 14,300 put strike at 87. These are the weekly strikes we are talking about. So the total outflow from this strategy is 33 points as per the closing price on Friday. The maximum profit of 67 points could be gained if Nifty expires at or below 14,300. Break-even levels comes at 14,367 and the maximum risk is also limited to 33 points even if Nifty expires at or on 400 levels. Thank you.
Thank you, Nilesh, for sharing your valuable inputs with us. I am sure our listeners have gained great insights from you.